इस हफ्ते के कवर्स में देखने को मिली वाइड वैरायटी. Some stood out and some were average. Take a look at this week's cover pages and decide for yourself. सबसे पहले बात करेंगे hottest cover की. Katrina's cover for Ellie is the classiest amongst all the other covers. The dark lips and the broad curls on Katy are definitely a plus point. वैसे noticeable ये है कि कटरीना ने और भी weight lose कर लिया है. We hope कि Katrina continues to look gorgeous like this. Now let's move on to Giselle's cover for Maxim magazine. Dressed in a white top and grey hot pants, Giselle pulls off a seductive girl next door look. Seems like the Love Aajkal girl wants to break free from the sweet girl image and jump into the hot and seductive avatar. Next in line is a very elegant cover of Mrs. Khiladi, yani ki Twinkle ka, for Hello magazine. The red gown and white sheets create a soothing contrast, and we love Twinkle's hair color. Well, no skin show. Twinkle is clad in this red gown, फिर भी वो लग रही हैं curvaceous. इसके लिए yummy mummy Twinkle को मिलते हैं brownie points. और एक cover which stood out was Singham girl Kajal Agarwal's snap for the magazine FHM. वैसे हम आपको बता दें कि ऐसा ही similar pose एक बार Hollywood hottie Lindsay Lohan ने pull off किया था, and she looked stunning. Kajal on the whole is looking very hot. मगर आपको क्या लगता है? Who fared better, Lindsay और Kajal? इन spicy hot covers के बीच में Kalki का cover था much simpler and minimal. Well, the cover speaks all about losing weight and Kalki looks slim. However, we must say that the attire and the look is way too plain to talk about. And here's another sassy cover of Kangana. हालांकि frilly short gown and the kneeling pose हो गया है काफी stale, we will still give this point to Kangana for her expressions. और इन सब cover girls के बीच में we also have a cover boy. John Abraham का ये cover जितना simple है उतना different भी है. इसमें न जॉन किसी मैचो लुक में है, ना ही अपनी बॉडी दिखा रहे हैं और ना ही किसी बाइक पर बैठे हैं. In fact, he looks like a chocolate boy on a matrimonial page. हालांकि उनकी आने वाली फिल्म फोर्स में जॉन इसके बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट लग रहे हैं. Well, we hope the change brings him good. And the cover boy is Ajay Devgan, posing for High Blitz magazine. हमने अजय का सिमिलर अवतार पहले एक फोटोशूट में देखा था, but this one sure steals the show. Ajay in his white suit stands out. The mustache is quite macho, we must say. ये बात तो माननी पड़ेगी कि अजय का angry अवतार always works for him. All in all, अजय का स्टाइल है very suave. और GQ मैगजीन के लिए कवर बॉय सिद्धार्थ माल्या का ये कवर रहा काफी edgy. Formals में straight face, double bearing Siddharth लग रहे हैं काफी serious. The schoolboy hair and the formal look goes well together. All in all, the cover is quite neat. और The Man magazine के comedy special edition के लिए who would do a better job than Veer Das? There is something very comic about Veer's expressions. जैसे कि वो कोशिश कर रहे हो हंसी छुपाने की. With a pleasing smile and very messy hair, Veer looks top notch. And here is yet another red hot cover page of Freida Pinto. लगता है dark lips are the most in thing this season. पहले Katrina and now we see Freida donning dark red lips. इस cover में Freida is dressed in all red and seems like red is the new black. हालांकि हमें लगता है कि मैगजीन कवर का टेक्स्ट Freida के क्लोज-अप को ओवरपावर कर रहा है. But nevertheless, Freida's expression is to kill for. Freida sure seems like a perfect cover girl. In a magician avatar, we see Lisa Hayden on this month's Femina cover. Well, this was new for all those who are used to seeing Lisa in long gowns. इस फोटोग्राफ में लीजा डॉन कर रही हैं a punk look with a magician's hat and a wand to probably cast a spell on the producers. ब्राइट कवर के लिए लीजा पासेस विद फ्लाइंग कलर्स। तो ये थे हमारे इस हफ्ते के कवर सेलेब्स। फॉर मोर स्टारी कवर्स, कीप वॉचिंग पेस्ट्री लाइव।
Go Zing.